Hi folks, a couple of companies working on non-invasive glucose that I wanted to share with you today. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well, are happy and healthy and getting out there to exercise. So yeah, a couple of European companies actually. The first one is iGluco, and their device is called Glue, G-L-U Cube. And this is a device that you stick your finger into, the way you stick it into a commercial pulse oximeter. And so it's not continuous, but it could, but it's certainly non-invasive and could obviously make a huge difference replacing finger pricks. It uses near-infrared spectroscopy to detect glucose, and it comes with a phone app where you see the results. And interestingly enough, it is currently available in Spain. iGluco is a Spanish company for 175 euros, but in Spain only. Now, what I really like about this is actually the fact that you have to stick your finger into it, the way you stick it into a commercial pulse oximeter. Because it suggests to me that it shines the light through the finger, which is what commercial pulse oximeters do, and that it doesn't work of reflected light, which is what watches do. And the difference in technology is why commercial pulse oximeters are more reliable than the pulse ox on your smartwatches. It's just a better, more reliable technology, and so hopefully it carries through to glucose. We shall see. Now, they are actually conducting a clinical trial with 105 participants this year. It started in March, and it has people obviously measuring glucose with their device, the GluCube, and compare it to a standard glucometer, namely the Bayer Contour Next. And they do that at home, and I believe they do it 4 measurements a day. Their trial is registered with clinicaltrials.gov, which I actually think is encouraging. Hopefully it means that they expect good results and are looking to bring it to the US as well as the rest of Europe. So, yeah. And so the second company that we're going to talk about today is a Swiss company, and it's called Spiden AG. I don't have a picture of their device. However, they do say it is a wearable that uses advanced spectroscopy. Now, they claim to have attained a 9% MARD with individual calibration, a mean absolute relative difference for those of you who are new to the field. Unclear if this is continuous monitoring device, but as those of you who follow these matters will know, a 9% MARD is a good number. It's just below the 10% threshold required by FDA for approval. So if they can confirm it in future trials, we may just have something here. They have raised $15 million in convertible notes in 2024 and are planning to raise more money in the second half of this year. Now, they are conducting 2 trials. They are conducting a 40-person study in type 1 and 2 diabetes in Germany, which started in February, and an 81-participant study in Switzerland. The German study is titled The Non-Invasive Measurement of Glucose with Advanced Spectroscopy Techniques and Machine Learning Models. And the Swiss study is titled Spiden Non-Invasive Continuous Glucose Monitoring Clinical Demo. And this follows on a trial that they conducted in 2023, so last year. I believe in Switzerland it was a smaller 21-person study. So I think those are both potentially rather interesting, and obviously wish them well. I will try to keep track of them as I keep track of other companies, and will bring you news as I learn it. So with that brings us to the end. Be well, and we'll talk soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.